move Africa with a vision of building the first ever touring circuit for international artists across the African continent. And I cannot think of a better place than Kigali to kick it all off tonight. In year one, it was Kendrick Lamar. In year two, it was John Legend. And tonight, we have the one and only Doja Cat. And I want to thank President Paul Kagame and the Rwandan Development Board for their amazing partnership and amazing support. And I also want to acknowledge Kendrick Lamar and PG Lang for being our partners in bringing this vision to life. We are so thrilled to be here, and most importantly, this mission is about creating jobs in the creative economy across Africa. So I want to thank the Rwandan Development Board for their amazing partnership. Kigali, are you ready? Let's do this. Thank you.